Here are the natural phenomena we may face in 2025. April 12th. Mercury and Saturn convergence. Just before sunrise, Mercury and Saturn will be very close to each other above the eastern horizon. Venus will also be brightly visible in the same region. April 21st to 22nd. Lyrid meteor shower. The Lyrids are an important meteor shower that can be observed in April. This year, it will reach its peak on April 21st to 22nd, and about 10 to 20 meteors can be observed per hour. May 2025. May 3rd to 4th. Eta Aquarid meteor shower. This meteor shower from Halley's Comet is particularly impressive in the southern hemisphere, with up to 50 meteors per hour. In the northern hemisphere, long-tracked meteors called Earth grazers can also be seen. June 2025. June 26th. Moon and Mercury conjunction. In the last week of June, the Moon and Mercury will be in close proximity in the sky. As it will take place close to the horizon, it is important to find a good field of vision. September 2025. September 7th to 8th total lunar eclipse. Blood moon. During the total lunar eclipse that will take place on these dates, the moon will completely enter the Earth's shadow and take on a reddish color. September 21st. Partial solar eclipse. The moon will cover part of the sun in this eclipse, which will be visible in Australia, Antarctica, and islands in the Pacific Ocean. October 2025. October 7th. Supermoon. The moon will be closest to Earth and will appear larger and brighter than usual. November 2025. November 5th. Supermoon. The moon will again be close to the Earth and will shine brightly in the sky. December 2025. December 4th. Supermoon. The last supermoon of the year will appear larger and brighter than usual due to the moon's closest position to the Earth. These dates include the main celestial events that can be observed in 2025. Remember to consider weather conditions and light pollution when observing.